we've had rain for the last couple of days. Today's a nice day, and there's no wind, so I'm gonna get some of this brush burnt up, hopefully. And then I'm gonna continue on with my sawing. So that's what we got planned for today. This is Off Grid with Dave and Kelly, and we'll keep going with what we're doing. Hopefully I can get some of this stuff burnt up. It's been hanging around all winter. Conditions weren't just right for doing it, and then when I was going to do it, we got buried under a ton of snow, so I couldn't have started a fire on it anyways. But anyhow, hopefully we'll get some of this stuff burnt up. Eventually I want this whole area cleared out here. This is where my shop is going to go at some point in time once the house is done. So, but that's a little ways in the future yet, so we'll just cross one bridge at a time. We'll try and concentrate on getting the house done. But anyhow, that's what we're doing today. So I've been sawing up some wood for my neighbor, the same fella that has let me take some of the trees from his bush. This stuff, he wants it all full dimension, so full 2 inches by 6 inches or 4 inches, whatever I can get. That's fine. That's what he wants, so that's what we'll mill it. One thing I've noticed with this wood It's very dry. It's been laying in his bush for at least a couple of years, I'm gonna say. Some of it's even rotten. But this, sawing this versus the wood that I've cut down last winter, is this stuff really moves. When you make a cut, it'll bow or cup, twist. It's very hard to keep it nice and straight. I don't know why it is, but that's just the way it is. Stuff that I cut that's relatively green doesn't move. You know, I can cut it and it doesn't, it slices off really nice. So yeah, I don't know if anyone knows the reason why. Please let me know. Like I say, I'm by no means an expert sawyer. I'm still learning as I go as well, but that's just the way it is. But anyhow, yeah, I've got well, I got 2 or 3 2x6s out of that piece, and we do have a bunch of 2x6s and 2x4s here, whatever I could get out of it, and some 1-inch slab stuff. So some of this stuff isn't the greatest. This piece here isn't too good. Some of it's got some rot in it, but hopefully he'll be able to get some use out of it. But anyhow, yeah, it's getting this time of year now, changing the subject, that black flies are starting to come out. We just got our skeeter vac fired up, and that's starting to get rid of some of the black flies, hopefully. But Kelly and I have both noticed that they're starting to pester us more consistently. Probably soon have to be wearing our nets and everything else out here. But hopefully as we get things cleaned up and get some of this brush taken away, they seem to like the brush and wet spots, stuff that stays consistently wet and damp. So I'm hoping as I get this stuff cleaned up, it'll help with that. But in the meantime, I'm gonna keep sawing for our neighbor. I'll probably saw a couple more logs for him, and then I'll start back and saw some more stuff for the cabin, and won't be too long. We'll be starting on the cabin, putting logs on. I think I've got roughly 20, maybe 30 logs left over there to saw up, and once that's sawed up, then I'll start working on the cabin. Then I'll have to be switching back and forth, hopefully. So, but in the meantime, stay warm, stay dry, and we'll see you in the next video. Hit the like button, subscribe, leave comments. I appreciate hearing from what my viewers have to say, and until then, take care.